Hello grade 1, welcome again with you Mrs. Minna Raouf, your science teacher. I hope you are all fine and everything is okay with you. First, I want to remind you in the last session about the something that we can see in the sky. And we talk about the something that we can see at daytime sky and at nighttime sky. At daytime sky we see sun, we see clouds, and at nighttime sky we see moon, stars, and also we can see clouds. So let's start our new lesson together, and that talking about how does the sky seems to change. First, sun. We're talking about the sun in the last session, and I told you that the sun is a star that gives off heat and light. So, sun is the brightest object in the daytime sky. It warms Earth's land, air, and water. Do you think who is moving? Sun or Earth? The sun seems to move across the sky, but the sun is not moving. Earth that is moving. So, who is moving? Earth that is moving. The sun is not moving. Imagine with me that now I will dim the lights at my room. Then I use a flashlight and my hand to cast a shadow. So, think with me. What causes shadow outside during the day? Yeah, that's right. Light from the sun makes shadow. So, during the day, what causes the shadow outside? Light from the sun. So, light from the sun makes shadow. And what mean by shadow? Shadow is a dark place made where an object blocks light. So, shadow is a dark place made where an object blocks light. The shadow changes as the earth moves, and the sun's light shines on objects from different directions as the day goes on. And shadow change in size during the day, and also change the position too. So, shadow change in size during the day, and they change position too. Let's show together how. Look at these three pictures. What do you see? This is a tree's shadow in the morning. And how can I know? Because the sun on the left side of the tree, and the shadow on the right side on the tree. So, at morning, the sun will be on the left side, and the shadow will be on the right side. At noon, the sun will be behind the tree, and the shadow will be in front of the tree. And the shadow at noon is the shortest, because the sun is directly overhead the tree. But at afternoon, the sun will be at the right side and the tree's shadow will be at the left side. These three pictures show us how shadow change in size during day and how they change their position too.
Something following you. Where? Behind you. I can't see it. Now it's beside you. Where? Look. Now it's in front of you. Don't be scared. It's only your shadow. Why do I have a shadow? When the sun is shining, wherever you go, your shadow goes with you. Look, when I move, my shadow moves with me. Yes. Sometimes it is at your side, and sometimes it's in front of you, and sometimes it's behind you. Why is my shadow so short now? Well, that's because it's lunchtime and the sun is really high up in the sky. In the morning and in the evening time, when the sun is low in the sky, your shadow is very long. Why does my shadow touch my feet? Your shadow always touches you where you touch the ground. If you stood on your head, it would touch you at your head. What happens if I jump in the air? Your shadow stays on the ground. Why is your shadow bigger than mine? Because I'm taller than you, of course. Does my shadow copy everything I do? Yes, it does. Here, take my hand. Oh, look, our shadows are holding hands too. Yes, they're copycats. Can I run away from my shadow? No, not while the sun is shining. And when the sun goes to bed, then your shadow goes to bed too.
I will stop at this point now and we will complete our lesson in the next session. See you. Bye bye.